Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is a video number 38. In this video we will learn work smart with the blank cell in Excel. So let's start. Let's see the first blank selection. Simply select the range of your data. So I select here entire data. Then press the Ctrl G to open here the go to dialog box. Then click on the spatial option and here the go to spatial dialog box is open. Then select the blanks option and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the blank cell is selected. Okay, after that, to field color for blank cell, go to the home tab. In font group, click on the field color option and here select the color, and that's it. Here you can see the color is filled. Okay, next, type or fill data in all blank cells at once. So first select the range of your data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select your entire data. And the second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can press here Ctrl A to select your entire data. After that, press the Ctrl G and here the go to dialog box is open. Click on the spatial and click on the blanks and click on OK, and here you can see the only blank cell here selected, and here you can see the selected cell showing the dark shade and only one cell here showing the white cell. When you type here in your keyboard something, suppose I enter here H, you can see only in the white shade cell showing here the word, not in other blank cell. Okay, so when you press here Control plus Enter key, it's automatically fill in other blank cell also. I show you. I press here Control plus Enter key, and that's it. Here you can see in other blank cell also fill the same data. Okay, so this is a way you can type or fill data in all blank cell at once. Next, delete blank cell. Same as select the range of your data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select your data. And the second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the Ctrl A to select the entire data. Then Ctrl G to open the go to dialog box. Click on the spatial and here click on the blank and click on OK. You can see again the blank cell is all selected. Then press the Ctrl minus and here you can see the one dialog box is open, delete. Okay, then select here the shift cell up. When this delete this cell, the below cell will shift up. Okay, so I select the shift cell up and click on OK, and all blank cell is deleted. Okay, and below cell is shift up. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.